So I just got back from 5 days. I was doing an event for Major League Fishing down at Lake Eufaula. And while I was down there, I was fortunate enough to find a place to stay through a coworker. Their family was gracious enough to let me stay there. Anyway, right next door or close by was this place called Inside Out or Outside In Pub or something. It's like they had food and then they had a bar, so it was like a bar and grill. Anyway, I go in there. There's some like professional fishermen that were in there eating, but I'm not gonna bother those guys. But anyway, I go up to the bar and told the bartender, I was like, hey, I just kind of looking around. I've never been in here before. And the bartender was saying, hey, we've got this signature shot that I can make for you. And it's, we don't charge you since it's your first time here, and we'll just make you this shot. And I was like, okay, great, man. I love trying new stuff. So what she made me was yes, the bartender was a female. Anyway, she took a bottle of this, I don't know how you pronounce that, Licor 43. I've used this glass a few times already, as you can tell, because it's not currently clean. And this bottle was brand new, but I've made some of these tonight because they're delicious. Anyway, an ounce of the Licor 43 heavy whipping cream. You can probably float it on top without the bar spoon, but I'm going to use the bar spoon anyway to help me. And just pour it right along there just to slow it down. And float it on the top. All right. And then they call this drink the mini beer, because as you can tell, the whipping cream looks like foam on top, like the head of a beer, and then it looks like a mini beer. And then after you make it, oh, you devour that thing because it tastes just like homemade vanilla ice cream. I don't know how many of these I've had, but they're delicious because the bottle's kind of gone down a little bit. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and check out my videos that'll be coming out about the Major League Fishing event that I worked, and I'll give you guys a little insight as to what happened. So, I'll see y'all on the next one.